Hello, hello. How's it going today? Hello, Nigma. Hello, Dmitri. Hello, Isaac. Hello, Ned. How's it going? Trying to not destroy your ears while I'm setting up my mic. I still have the biggest dick. The biggest balls, okay? It's all you need to know. It's all there is. And you know what? I'm drinking cum, okay? Cum. Okay. I made an out of context channel. It was a Ghost's idea. But yeah, if you want to make out of context clips, there's a place for it. The cum is too yellow. I don't know. Probably depends on what you eat. Do you still have grandma? Grandma flew across a building yesterday, okay? Grandma... Your grandma pledged allegiance to ISIS. And she's gone. Alright. Do you watch Near Lichman? I've had that question before. I've watched some of his videos, but they're good. He's one of the creators that what I've watched of him, pretty good. Yeah, Grandma learned to fly. Hi MB, and hello everyone, I guess. So today I'm fucked, okay? There's no other way to put it. I caught whatever my daughter had, so I'm sick too. Is my new name everyone? Yes, okay. You can... I'll just add everyone at every time that I want to talk to you. So I caught what my daughter had. She is even more sick than she was yesterday. So I pretty much put her to sleep. But for once, it's a little bit more like put her to sleep and not just like put her to sleep. So right now she will sleep, okay? So besides me being health-wise yes, okay? Yes, Nigma. The best way to not be productive is to listen to my stream. There's no better way. The flu is a very efficient way for a kid to sleep. Well, it's the other way around, I think. And the only thing that you can do for your kid when they have like a flu, when they have a cold, pretty much get them to sleep, right? Make them eat something that they like. Get them to sleep. I know. I'm beasing. Okay, you're making a joke. I get it. But anyway. BSing. Yes. Hello, name. Hello. So yeah. Right now she's not sleeping, but she will, okay? I hear her trying to contest my decision. Have you tried BSD a long time ago? A very long time ago? The creature is now invading my ears too, based. Alright. Does that mean that Ned is on the channel? It's fucking Ned, I knew it. Okay. Crotch root. Oh, that's my Ned. That's my Ned. Alright. So no, today, for the early segment of the stream where we just cumling, holy shit, where we just yap before doing something productive. Well, yeah, I think I saw. I don't know why Discord does this, but on your phone you can like see a preview of what somebody shares if they share something long enough. So I saw that you were working on some hardware. I was like, ooh, that's cool. But I was working, so what the fuck am I supposed to do? Hop on? No, okay. So, internally budded semi-clone. Alright, alright. So yeah, apart from that, just because it's fun to yap, okay? Today has been a bad day, not only because I'm sick, and because my daughter's sick, also because my great friend, okay? The investor community decided that oil was not a good bet. So, yeah, I'm invested in oil, and my stocks went down big time. So, fuck me. Check my in-server name. Ned everyone the fucks based. I want my money back, okay? I want my CVE back. Anyway. Apart from that, well, we've got some great news. Is there any Ukrainians in the chat still? If so, Canada has deployed the Freeland, okay? Christia. And MB, this might be interesting for you. Christia Freeland is now not only an advisor for Canada, or a representative in Ukraine for Canada, but also the economic advisor for Ukraine. Based! Okay. Brain renewable energy. Yeah, no, I've got a soul, okay? I've got a soul. I also have some stocks in in renewables, okay? But holy, I mean, let's just I wake up, okay? My daughter's crying because she's sick. I'm sick. And what do I see come 9:30? Wait a second, you'll see. You'll see what I saw. This was unhinged. Sorry, this is funny to me, okay? Losing money on the short term is very funny. Okay, I saw this. That's an 8% dump, okay? But it came back a bit, but let's just say that when I saw that I was like, you fucking retards! The US cannot just seize Venezuela and take their oil in like 24 hours. Buddy, keep the fucking calm. But who cares, okay? Who cares? MB, will it change anything? Nah. But I'm sure you're talking about Freeland, I guess. But will it change anything? Not really. But on the long term, it's freaking great to have, like, somebody that is a good person like Freeland. Well, being there at the table whenever a decision is made or whenever somebody needs to do something economics related in Ukraine, right? It's great to have somebody that is that big brain there. Whenever a CEO opens their mouth in media. Have I said a meme? Anyway. Hello, Stan. How's it going today? How's it going? Alright. Let's get started. Let's get to it. Okay. No, just reality. I guess I don't get what you said, Nigma. But it might just be my brain today. It might just be my brain. So let's start up the little script thingy. Alright. It is great for her, but I don't think she will have the tools to do anything over there. Indeed, if they keep getting bombed, shit is fucked for them. Absolutely. But I mean, I prefer her being deployed than her not being there at all. Right? We could still be in Justin Trudeau's world, where foreign policy is just a meme, and if you're not like pro-woman's right, we're not doing trade with you. So we could still be in this world, okay? But no. Right now, we're fucking replacing the US, okay? This is our duty. Fuck the US. Okay, now I'm talking to everybody else. So... whenever they say good day instead of welcome, you know there is bad news. Is it? I love you, Ned. Ned is Ned is hyping free trade in the chat, and I'm here for it. Okay, I'm here for Ned just being like, "We need free trade, woo!" Anyway, all right. So let's just come for 5 seconds, okay, and see this shit work, and just be, oh. You're too innocent to realize silent words. Confused. Anyway. Alright, we're doing pretty fucking good, okay? Our shit is parsing. Now... Nero? Let's clean this shit up, okay? There's too much things right now going on. Too much. So now, we got out of the C preprocessor, okay? So this is thing done. Okay, so we can celebrate. Celebrate good time. Fuck you. The pre-prepper. Alright. So this is done. And I did not think about something that doesn't work in this. Well, maybe this, but anyway. So it's probably good. So now we can get to the next step of things. Celebrate with cold beer and cold pizza. That's a way to celebrate. What the fuck I'm doing at 30 a.m. Okay. Okay, that's a fair statement. That's a fair statement. Celebration to me is ice cream. Okay, ice cream is fun. Or a coffee. A coffee is fun. Or the true celebration, sleeping. But my brain won't allow that these days. So, okay. So we've got the preprocessor done, okay? It's donezo. So now that that works, we're going to think of something else. So this shit, where we bypass the if-def, probably doesn't work on the long term. We're going to ignore that, and we're going to focus on one thing and one thing only, okay? So the thing that we're going to focus on is going to be structs, okay? Because if we don't focus, hoo boy, my brain isn't there. So I'm just going to put a little disclaimer here for our print. The big reason why I'm doing this is because I want to know if ever I'm skipping some part of my file, right? It would be fun to have. This works. So let's just make it do the thing. Well, that part with the if-def I don't really give a shit about. So we're going to skip this part. Yeah, that's fair. Okay. Okay. This is what we need. Okay, so now we have here the thing that detects for the skipped range. So that's great. Now, we had the thing for the get include. I don't think that this is much use right now. Don't think that we're diagnosing anything with the includes. So let's skip this. Did you handle Elif and else? Yes. Why is C Lang D so retarded, for fuck's sake? That's fair. Anyway. Yes. Let's just confirm. So else and Elif. Elif, else. They are handled. Oh. Oh no, no, it works. There should be nothing after an else statement, and after an elif, there should everything else should be stored, because we don't really parse ifs right now. At least we don't introduce any logic to it. And oh, yeah, if you want to look at it, I'll just share it. We updated it yesterday, right? So if you want to look at the code with me. Did I just remove my own fucking message? Bro. If only compiler people, LLVM and GNU, weren't retarded, an actual implemented shit, and not do it half-ass. Yes, thanks to you, MB. Thanks to you, okay? I would not be here having a working Git without you telling me update it. Okay, update it. All right. So that was for the skipped range. This detects the skipped range. We probably should like put these close together. Oh, maybe even more. Just so that we have some logic. What do we mean by process loop? Stan is, he's wilding out. Alright. True! The compiler doesn't exist, it cannot physically hurt you. Based. Such denial. Alright, so we're talking about, whoops, let's not, whoa. Let's not do this again, okay? So we're talking about kids, right? Kids. So. Okay, I'm having a crisis, and yesterday I was having the same crisis at the end of the stream, but I didn't say it because I was like, I'm going to find a solution for this. I did not, okay? So here's kind of my issue. Do I have some output that I can point to? We had a thing that could like display structs and shit, and it was super cute. I'm just not using the right file, is that right? Let's just set the right file, and I'll be able to yap about it. All right, all right. Okay, so we've already made, like, kind of some of the parser for the struct, right? We're able to know the start of a struct, the content of a struct. So that's something that we are already able to do. Now, my big issue is that fopen, for example, or well, the meme was socket address, I think, or address. No, it was socket address. Yes, okay. So socket address is a struct that is inside of, I believe it's socket.h or something like that, right? The meme is it doesn't exist, okay? So my issue is how do I encode this inside of a database without putting the same thing 100,000 times? And then let's like make this shit even more complicated. How do I store this knowing that another core on my machine is currently parsing probably the files relating to socket.h and is inserting the same thing, but we don't want to have a duplicate there, right? So whatever it outputs needs to be the same, exactly the same, so that it detects it. Maybe my brain is just thinking too much for this one. I'll look at you rage, it's going to be funny. I want to write something, but YouTube would ban me. Alright. So maybe it's just me overthinking. Because let's think about this, right? Let's say that we parse this file, and now we see, oh, there's a struct declare. Now we find where socket address is from, and we parse socket address, the struct socket address, right? At that point, if our parser is perfect, it would just be able to output the same thing. I feel like I'm overcomplicating this so much. Maybe I should just parse shit, try to find which file this struct is stored in or could be stored in, keep some kind of reference to the file it is stored in, so I can, at the end, whenever I start putting shit into my database, refer to it. Yeah. That sounds like it. You could mark it as a waiting definition. Pretty much. Hi, Dmitry. Happy to see you. I thought you were there earlier. In any case, happy to see you. So when other process get there, only has to complete it. So we could resolve it at the end, right? Because, like the way that it currently works for my other system, we can have reference that are only resolved at the end, right? I have the system to be able to reference something of another file. I have the system to be able to reference something from the past, or I guess the future. So the goal here, right? Let's just go back to basics, right? The goal here, when I scan this, is, okay, I have a struct declare. Where is the struct declare actually created, right? Where is this? There's a name for it. It's not a declare, it's an initialization. No, not initialization. But like, where is that struct created, right? So if we can answer that question and store it, then probably becomes way easier. Okay, happy to see that you got to the same conclusion as I did. I ran some stress tests, 400%. Yeah, the big fan was kind of Mimi. Just a big ass fan. Alright, alright. Okay. Okay, let's drink water. Definition. Oh. Oh, you mean, yeah, the definition of the struct. Okay. That would make sense. That would make sense. Alright. So... Okay, let's just... I just want to be able to get to this without my brain shutting down because of, like, infinite possibilities. So what we already have line start, line end, character start, character end. We have the name of the thing, we have what the fuck the thing is. We probably should define in more detail what the thing actually is, right? So if it is... Like these field declare, like address LAN, if it's an int, we should know about it. You know what? Let's start with this, right? Let's start with knowing what is like how to detect an int. That should be the start. Alright. Yep. Let's start this shit. So let's just find the file that we're currently parsing. Let's open it on the version that we're currently parsing it, I guess. Whoops, not what I wanted. Bootlin. Oh, we already are at bind.h. How nice. Alright, so what we were trying to parse. Alright, so no res v port. I guess that's the real name. Okay, no res v port. It's an int. So we should be able to detect that somehow, right? That's some information that we need to have. So here it's called a field declare, but we should be able to look at this and be able to say, okay, this is an int. How do we go about this? So last time we actually checked and there was a place where we had like, I think that's it. Like we had all of the possible variation of variables. Types. Type is what I'm searching for. No, that's not it. I'll find it. Just give me between 15 and 16 business days. Okay, that's the thing. So type kind. Here we have all the possible types. So we should like get that information. That's important. So where the fuck do we get this? That's the thing, okay? Where do we get this? I can never understand how these things works. Hey, buddy. Go back. I need a big fan. Is an int. An int. I only know logical language. Alright. This is... You've triggered Nigma, okay? You've triggered the savage Nigma. I feel like I'm... Okay, base... Enumerare. Retrieve the spelling of this type kind. Okay. Okay, we need to write some retarded code, okay? This is what we need to do, okay? Let's get to it. Type kind seems to be the thing that we want to have, okay? It just seems to. So here, we have a big-ass list. So as soon as we see a struct declare, we do the big-ass list, and we execute struct sniffer. And struct sniffer actually goes and sniff them structs to give us everything that's inside of it. Like kids. Okay. Struct sniffer, kids. Now, we have our struct declare. Now we want our type kind, right? We want to add type kind to our big array here. Append struct declare this shit. Okay, field declare. This is what I wanted to see, okay? So field declare, this is where... Field declare is these, okay? So they are the important one to know the type of. I'm not angry at anyone. Based. Good answer, Enigma. Good answer. I'm trying to understand what the fuck I wrote. Okay. Okay, so this was to know if it's a struct thingy or... Okay. This is something else, okay? Ignore this. Ignore. We only care about this. Or crime. Okay. So this is the thing that we want to modify. Right? So let's add at the end another option. And in this option, we would want kids dot type kind. Okay, is this a thing? Dot spelling. Oh, am I crashing out? Dot spelling. And this is a property, right? So I don't have to call it. I think. Alright. Does it do it? Why did I click on Steam? Alright. I think we're doing it. They're like, what the fuck are you talking about, kind? What is a type kind? What the F are you talking about? Alright. Let's just see what the option from cursor are. Get me a cursor. Bro, get me a cursor. That ain't it. I'm about that close, okay? That close from actually learning C for this shit, okay? I'm getting triggered. Just digging around and knowing that if I ask AI, it's going to tell me like, actually, this exists in the C library, bro. This triggers me so much. Okay, Okay, screw this. Yes, cursors! Cursor! Woo! Okay. So a cursor is a fun part of the AST, okay? It's a fun part. It is exactly what we want. I think I win for worst edit of you. Check your DN. Thank you for saving me. Check before showing on stream. I'm sorry, but all the memes are good, okay? All the memes are good. Is there any voice? Oh shit, there's some voice. I'm in. Okay, let's cut the music. Let's put the sound. Put in full screen. Oh, that's pixelized. Let's just come. If oh, that's a good one. I mean, we need to highlight. I'm sorry, we need to highlight a bit what was done, okay? Was it in the meme channel? No. Okay, it was in the media. Okay, those one are good. Mom, grandma's on the news. What you see is on the bottom, new ISIS bombing, a fucking car going through some building, and grandma just making her way to heaven on the speed path, okay? What an edit, okay? This is some based edit. By the way, okay, if only Ned was here to make a gif of me drinking cum. Okay, enough meme. Fun fact, everyone says C is complicated when you can learn its syntax in one day at worst. Meanwhile, they use a whole lifetime learning JSTS because JS is still recommended. Oh, you need perms for out of context? What the fuck? I don't know how this works. Oh, roll at everyone. Send messages. Send message in thread. Threads are gay. Attach file. Embed links. Add reactions. Use external emojis. Why not? No. Alright, this looks good. This will probably not do anything bad. Everyone gets stuck with pointers because tutorial overcomplicated. Well, a pointer is easy, right? And C, like itself, is not that hard. What's hard is doing something good with C, right? Because you're reinventing the wheel each time that you want to do something, right? That's the issue. There's a reason why Python exists. It's because superior being use Python. I'm joking. Alright, we were on a path to type kind, okay? This is where we were. So let's actually write. Okay. Enum. Why am I retarded? Enum! Where is the enum? Are we still inside of cursor, friends? We are! Abba-based. Type kind. Enum. Okay. Underlying type dot kind. Self dot type. We got it. Okay, we got it. We got it. Boom. We got it. Look at this shit. Big brain. That's exactly what I meant. If you're me, yes. If you're normal, sane person, no. There's libraries. Stan is fucking lit. I just think about Stan being like, I need to read this in the voice that I think he has, okay? What kind of language doesn't have arrays and need external libraries for arrays, right? He's so fucking lit. My guy. He's gone. Alright, int. Int. Alright. Easy. So. Alright. It's all good. You can be as drunk as you want. It's good content. Yeah, but lists are arrays. In what way are lists not arrays? Like, I want to know the difference. And don't go like, well, technically... The other kind of list. Yes, one is a list and the other one is a dictionary. Okay, I'm being confused, okay? I'm Confucius my way, okay? This is what I'm doing right now. Okay. Okay. Can we get just the number out of this? Can I just, like, enum my ass out of it? Enum. Alright. How do I get the number? I don't want to have to deal with letters. Is this a valid way? Oh fuck, it's even worse. Who cares? Who cares? We'll keep it like that, okay? It makes sense. Yes, but this is Stan. You're doing the technically, right? Because types like don't really exist in Python. So like all variables work like that. So why does a group of variable would not be called an array? Like any other language. Oh man, I've just given my internal conception of what an array is, and now Nigma is going to die. For sure, okay? Nigma is dead. Nigma is gone. Okay, fuck Nigma. We have... Okay, we have what the type is. Now we should be able to detect if it's a pointer, and whenever it's a pointer, we should try to seek whatever it is next, okay? So if typekind is a pointer, we should do something about it, alright? if this equals this war crime, else doop 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 doo doo doo. Let's go get some pointers. It's all good. It's all good, Nigma. I'm happy you did not hear and paid attention, okay? Because right now, we've got some pointers. Pointers. Alright. What the fuck is the pointer about? Boop 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 boop. So this is where we do get pointy. Now... Ooh, yeah. That's freaking horrible. Okay, let's stop thinking about how we got here and start thinking about how we're getting there, okay? So let's actually print this or put it inside of our array. We need that get pointy. Pointy. All right. So let's add this at the end and do get pointy. And when we do get pointy, I think that it is a type. Right? Type. All right. Should be easy enough. So now we have a type. So we should be able to do dot kind. And know whatever the fuck this is. Please play Sonic drowning music. Fuck it. I'm going for a smoke. Warning, you can die. Based. Also, I do not blame you for thinking C is complicated, because the library you're using makes something as simple as dereferencing a pointer almost impossible. Oh, okay, I think I understand what you're referencing there, but yes and no? I mean, I've done, like, standalone C, right? I've written some C. I know how to. Know how C works, somewhat. It's just not my thing. Okay, this does not work. Why? Did I save it? Is it updating? It is. Then why? Yes, I know. Star. Okay. Let's star the star that star and star the star, okay? Dereference the dereferencing. And just for the memes of it, add a percentage in there, okay? Just add a %. C is simple. Creating a system may be difficult because you're creating that system. Yes. That's the problem that most people have with C, is that it feels like you're creating a system for your system and not the system itself. Okay, why does that not detect the thing? Probably because I'm not translating this to an actual thing. Or am I? Can I not be fucking retarded? How was I detecting, like, pointers before? Oh. Alright, based. we're just raw asking, is there something being pointed at? Very cool. Alright, I love these memes, okay? These are the nicest memes. Basically the TLDR, why those who are naive whine so much? Alright. Oh, look at this shit. We know what the fuck we're pointing at. Type kind invalid. Yes. Give me some invalid bullshit. Why is it? Oh, okay, because it always followed that path. Okay. They're not pointers. Well, how the fuck does this even work then? Why? Okay, this got to go, okay? This is dumb. And here, like if I do spelling, I don't have to parenthesis the shit out of it, right? No, spelling doesn't need to. Okay. If I do spelling, I should be able to just do pointer, right? And let's just print it. Just so if it doesn't work, I don't kill myself trying to find it. Pointer. Here we go. Like, I get it. It's simply Python. Or JS or TS or simply the syntax. But why do I need to worry about something you abstract away? Proton Mail works for me, but I'm not I'm not schizo anymore, so I really prefer I just prefer Google and Microsoft, okay? I'm a cock. I'm a big, huge, juicy cockaroony, okay? This is who I am. What? Okay, which one of these dipshit is a pointer? O's name. Where are you, O's name? O's name, okay? Why is there no printing of the thing? Why does this never print? Because of this? Const char star. Okay, this is what spelling does. Okay, okay, I'm a dumbass. I get it. I get it. So is the solution like this? Yeah, that's the solution. I'm retarded, okay? This is what's going on. And I'll drink some bleach. Ooh. All right. I think we in. Yeah, hosting your own email is the worst fucking thing you can do. Don't. Just don't. Kill yourself beforehand. How can you state this shit? I told you to transform yourself into something readable beforehand. Bro. Oh, we need to do .kind. Okay, okay. I get it. I get it. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Okay, we got this, okay? We freaking got this. Baguette. Holy shit. Okay. You are getting out. And we need to structure this in a way that I can read it. This is unhinged. I need to rethink this whole thing. You know what? We're building on top of it. We're retards, okay? We're building on top of it. We're going to redo this next stream. But now, we're not smart enough for this. So we now know that we have a pointer. Whenever we have it, we go to the next thing. We can know most simple thing. So we need to understand what function proto is and elaborated. Elaborated. Well, function proto is a function prototype. That's the thing that Nigma explained to me, okay? That's what I know, okay? Well, Nigma. Nigma, MBE, I think you did too. A lot of you. Someone who didn't read the manual closely. True! Check out of context. I've made toddler humor. I love toddler humor. I need to chill, okay? Is this the same thing? Okay, yes. We have a Ned pause. Ned pause. We are based. What the fuck? We are based. All right. We're deep in toddler humor. Okay, we're deep. we're so deep. Okay, Mozart, you need to play now. I need your backup, bro. Mozart, don't die on me. Mozart's dead. Okay, he's back. I am not talking about the one you use. There's more than one. Yeah. Nigma, I'm not the only one that doesn't understand what you're talking about. But hey, I love you too, okay? Anyway. Or maybe I think you... did you misunderstand me about, like, function prototype? Anyway. No issue. I love you, Ned. I love you. Okay, let's focus. So now if the type is simple enough, we know what the fuck it is. So address LAN. Let's go check. What are you? Blah blah. It's just my email. Okay. Good. Address LAN, size T. So that's the one that's elaborated, right? Address LAN elaborated. Let's see how we can de-elaborate this shit. It's a type def, a spoiler. Oh, it's a type def of a type def, of course. Oh no. Not one of these. Not the marvelous choose your own type def. God. I love it. Okay. So our thing should parse it as an unsigned int because we use the awesome generic. But POSIX type, is POSIX type the thing that failed? Oh no, it doesn't. It didn't. Okay. I don't know, man. I am doing 10 things here. It's nothing complicated or special. In fact, you should do it. I'm so confused. Nigma. Okay, Nigma, I love you, but I don't fucking know what you're talking about, okay? Okay, so here we have a type def of a type def. So we need to find a way to know that it's a type def of a type def, right? We need to know where the fuck does elaborated come from. So the first thing that it should point us to is to underscore kernel size t. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm reading this and I'm like, the following type defs are also protected by individual if defs for historical reasons. That sounds like this code is full of fucking war crimes and we're trying to make it work. So shut the fuck up and live with it. Alright, I'm good. No, okay. Yes, I get that it's configurable, okay? I get that. My issue here is with parsing, not with the C technology, okay? My problem is that I have to make Syndex bend to my will. And right now, it seems that my willpower doesn't have a lot of bending effect, okay? I don't have the necessary riz for this. So, like, we're going to need to find a way. Oh, maybe through get declaration. Maybe? Maybe? Okay. So let's try it. We don't need to try it on pointers because it's not a pointer. So let's just make this disgusting, okay? Like I said, I'll rewrite all of this shit. Top 10 cope of 2026. Number 1. I'll rewrite all of this shit. I don't know what you're talking about. Nigma, we're talking about different things. Nigma. What are we talking about here? Oh, when I do get declaration, am I getting a cursor back? Was that the place that I was like, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. Okay. Hi. I know. Why am I opening Steam for the 600th time? This needs to go. How do I delete this? Unpin. Okay. It seems that we're starting to understand Syndex pretty great. Okay, we're doing pretty great now. It is indeed pretty great. Okay, so the two elaborated, so address LAN and NFS, we now know that they are type defs. Not that hard to know, but we now know. So that's great. Alright. I feel like I'm just, like, learning like a freaking toddler how to, like... Yes, I am the Syndex Bender. Yes, Nigma. It turns out that to know something, you need to read or do it. Me. Come on, man. If you don't know the fucking answer, if you do know the fucking answer, tell it to me. But I'm not saying like C, tell it to me. I'm saying Syndex, tell it to me, okay? I don't care about your C. I care about getting some data. Okay, I need some data. And does that mean that from there we could get a spelling? I need this. I need this in my life. Give me some spelling. Whoops, we regressed. I'm a retard. Address LAN, size T. We already know that. That's not the one that I wanted. Type spelling. I want the other type def. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get declaration. How do we do to get the thing above? Oh, wait. So it would not be type. Bro, I need to rewrite all this so that it becomes workable and recursive. Bro. It's right there, just a pixel above. Bro, if it's there, it doesn't mean anything. Okay? I just write shit. This is war crime, okay? Okay. Get declaration. So when I get the declaration, I get the cursor. Not for this. Wait. Sorry. Let's use the actual thing. So when I do get declaration, I don't get this. I get this. Wait a second. What am I doing? I'm getting the ancient power of Hitler. Okay, no. That's... like... Okay. What am I trying to do here? I don't want the children, I want the parents. Abduct the parents. This is what I need, okay? Get declaration dot get underscore. No, it's not an option. We cannot get the parents or parent dot. Does this work? And then spelling. You cannot see anything I'm doing. All right. We don't see your cursor too far right. All right. The memes write themselves. A YouTube poop. Yeah, that fits. Okay, parent is not a valid thing, probably because we need the parenthesis. I need to Okay, maybe we can do this. Maybe we can do this. For sure, there is a way for me to put a delimitation on my desktop so things don't fully full thing, right? They only like boom, like this, so that you can always see whatever the F I'm working on. Like that would be cool. We need this now, okay? Wait, before I forget. Okay, I just deleted the retarded things. The retarded children. Okay, I deleted them. So, let's find how this works. Window management. That sounds like it. For sure there is a way to make it automatic. Nope, nope. Window rule. Who the fuck is spamming me? Alright. And what property can I add? Ooh, size and position. Maybe that makes sense. Obey geometry restriction. That sounds like something I want to search elsewhere. Okay, maybe I should check my chat just in case somebody has a full... You're so memeable, and you're providing me so much teaching and learnable data on how to write documentation. Just put a window under chat and title mode. I love you, Nigma, okay? Or a new version. I know, MB, I know what you're talking about. Like, my issue is I would like to have a fucking button and then it exists, right? How based would it be? Let me... Okay. Like if I could click a button and magically... Bro, I don't see it. I hope it works. Okay, I hope I'm... Yeah, it should work. Okay, and magically... Like, I can put a window there. Like, if I drag my mouse there, it will resize automatically to this shit. And then, if I drag there, it will resize automatically to this square. Right? I don't want to manually adjust everything. That's retarded, okay? Yeah, Katie. Me, Enigma Maple, the sitcom. What's the title? The Enigmatic Maple Fox. Go fuck yourself edition. Alright. Let's get into gay shit. Okay, no, that's not what I want. Workspace, general behavior. Wait. I was there. Okay. Where was the window rule thing? Oh, you know what? You're right, MB. Okay. You're right. So, window class. Match the whole window class. YouTube chat. Okay, and how do I select said window? Do I like eat dicks, I guess? studio.youtube.com/live_chat. And then substring match. Or regular expression, that sounds like it. So then I can put the little at thing. Doo-doo. Oh, bro, I can just select it. Okay, okay. Okay. I'll kill myself, bro. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, it just works. Trademark, I guess. Yeah, but after that I'll need to extend this somehow. So let's just... Such a retard. Alright. So this... window class application. Yes. Window title. Yes. So, exact match for the window class, for the window title. It is a regular expression. Where we start with this. Oh, we're cooking. We're cooking. And now... detect window property. We click on the property. Uppity duppity. Get off my property. Oh ho ho! Apply. Does this mean that I cannot move it anymore, or? Also for... apply initially. Force. Oh! It doesn't move. It doesn't move. Okay. Meow. Alright. Now I need to find a way to be able to, like, resize this correctly. Alright. And will it blend? No. Anime title. The silly, the confused, the explainer. My level 999. Fuck around and find out. Still makes me the best bad coder. If you want the default or the type teams option, you're gonna... Alright, Nigma. We know. We know how much you like your thing. And I love you for it, okay? I love you. Okay, we need a button that does this. we need the real resize. We need the based resize, okay? Yes, Rust. How much money for the cum emoji? The only money comes to me, okay? He's already made it, by the way. Haven't you shared it? No, it's on the Discord. Alright. Window behavior. Oh. Oh, can we do something based? No, okay. Why cannot why can't I have like a magical put into position? Join the D's nut scores. Based answer, Enigma. Snap window. Only when overlapping. What the fuck does this even mean? Doesn't do it, bro. Oh. Oh. Wait. Your name is Rust is winning, dipshit. No. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'll break a window. If my grandma had wheels, she would be a car. Okay. General behavior. I don't know how anything works. I'm just clicking shit and hoping. Okay, you know what? I'm making some fucking rules. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, let's create the perfect size of thing. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay. I coomed. Good. So let's position. Boom. Size. Boom. Okay, now how the fuck do I apply that to something else? Okay, yeah, apply within the 24 hours. What the fuck is this shit? Window type. Only the based ones. Okay, let's read. A window. Take your pills, Maple. Maybe I can. Yes, I thought that it could automatically snap into size. Yes, I thought that they were smart enough that whenever you had something that you literally say can never fucking move, saying force, and that you full screen somewhere, it is now not a part of your fucking screen, okay? This is my logic. This is Maple's world, okay? So how the F do I apply that to something? Or do I need to, like, script this? Why were you trying to be precise? Well, I tried to be precise. I'm confused! I'm trying to be precise afterward in order to put the right setting because I clearly saw that it was not automatic. No, I cannot escape. Okay, let me read, okay? You have specified a window class as unimportant. This means the setting will possibly apply to windows from all application. If you really want to create a generic setting, it is recommended that you at least limit the window type to avoid special window types. Some applications set their own geometry after starting, overriding your initial setting for size and position. To enforce some of these settings, also force the property ignore requested geometry to yes. His name is Rust. Call him Rust. True, Stan. I know it was a joke. I can react to something as a meme. I'm not always triggered, my friend, even though I pretend to be. All right, let's get this shit done with, okay? Bro, normal window only. Okay, normal window. We apply initially this. Is there a way for me to... No, this should be good enough, right? Okay, can I toggle this on and off? Is there a button somewhere? Because right now the logic is if I close this, well, now it's at the right position, retard, but if I do this and I open it again, it will boop. Okay. Okay. Okay, and beware, I love you. I read all the comments and I was that short from suicide, okay? You can assign a key shortcut. That's for sure, okay? That's for sure, that's base, that's true. Okay. Stream resize. And then what we're going to do is detect the window, and do we have somewhere like window selected? Just so we don't do that to every window like a fucking retard. I guess not. Because I would like to do the apply now thing, right? MB. You should have active windows somewhere. That's my... That was my idea too. Okay, let me just put the music. Because right now, each time I'm opening something, it will fuck up. Alright, where's the music? Okay. So, add property, active window. This must be somewhere. Window role? No. Activities? What the fuck does this even mean? Okay, no, this is like the effect of the thing. Minimize initial placement. There's so much things that I have not checked about. Allow tearing. No. Thought on Ex Libre. Why would we care about Ex Libre? It's just a loser, like, writing some code. Come back when he's done something, okay? I like how you're trying to, like, roast each other. Like pretty rocks. As if it's a roast for Ned. Alright. What does window tag mean? Bro, what does it mean? Oh! Oh! Oh, 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 oh! Oh, 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 oh! Oh! Remember. Okay. Nigma, okay? You're pure rage bait. That you want it or not, you are. Okay. Configure special window setting. Okay, it's like reverse what the fuck I want. Bro. Bro. Circuit, stop stalling. My friend, I'm not writing any other line of code today, okay? My brain is dumb. And by the way, Rust. It's not stalling if you're too retarded to understand, okay? There's no stalling here. I'm just dumb. Okay, let's... Shortcuts. Shortcuts. Oh man, I'm triggered. Sorry. Shortcuts. Okay. Shortcuts. Where are the window setting? Window management. I think. Bro, we have a search button. Okay, go kill yourself. It's good. It's okay. Go kill yourself. Okay, fun. Fun. It was not the right thing. Okay, fuck this. We're going back. Maple, create new shortcut. Search bar at the top is your friend. Okay. Good job for AI in this setting, Jungle. True. Okay, the search bar doesn't work. That's why I said stream, because that's the name of my thing, right? Of my window management. And if I write window, there's going to be like 16 fucking thousand of these things. Wait. No. Bro, no. What? Bro. Am I schizo? Okay, Nigma, I don't give up. That's the difference, okay? It's true, I yap a lot, but I don't give up. Okay, I'm triggered. Where's my thing? Okay. Okay, let's go for my thing is rage baiting me, holy shit. Okay, so this... Okay, good. Configure extra buttons. This one. Oh no, it doesn't do what I want. Okay, I tried. Good. Alright. Learn proper KDE already. My friend, what the fuck? The... KDE is cock blocking me, okay? What is this? Yes, you can laugh, okay? I'm here for that. That's the thing. Okay, so I lost one of the rules. It's not good. Okay, can I... How do these work? You know what? Let's go. Bro. There's no way. Zone Selector. Zone Selector is a small widget that appears when you drag a window on the top of a screen. It allows you to snap the window to a zone regardless of the current layout. Okay. 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 Okay, is it because I need to set this? Please reload for making change. Yes. Okay. Okay. We even have shortcuts. Okay. Enable edge snapping. Apply. Okay, are we talking about this? Nope. Nope. Okay, I'm a retard. Okay. Okay, how could this be this small? Right? Is the meme that we do this? No? Okay, I need to read. I need to read. I must be retarded. Okay. I'll read my chat for a minute. Pre-made script, that will work too. True. The one that is worst? I don't know, I love both. Define zone, you need to define zone. I like how you you at me, you know it works. Multiple monitors? Of course I do. But the primary is this. Oh. Wait. Wait a second. Does it invert the thing? I'm trying all the corners, okay? Nope. Reading is often the prerequisite to a solution. Who the fuck do you think I am? Okay. The zone selector is a small widget that appears when you drag a window to the top of the screen. It allows you to snap the window to a zone regardless of the current layout. I probably don't freaking have a great layout. Quadrant grid. Like, let's make this big. Because right now it's mini. And they say to reload the script. Oh, maybe the options just don't work with this. I feel like I'm prospecting for some metal in the ground. Super T. What do you mean by super? You mean Windows key? Whoa! What? I'm a retard. Sorry. Wait. This is not granted by this, right? Whoops. Bro. Whoa. Wait a second. Hello, Guardian. Yes, I said that both are good. I don't get how we use this. Drag, shift to the tile. Holy. Why does it leave that shit? No padding, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, Ned? What the fuck? You're OP. Thank you. Thank you, Ned. How was good an option? Both are. You are the reason there's instruction on shampoo bottle. I'm all for shampoo bottles having instruction. You are the reason why there are hints, arrows in refined documentation. I am currently making trying to make some documentation with a fuckload of them, okay? Only real KDE user. Okay, I'll need somebody to tell me again that it's shift. Because I'll forget tomorrow. But, holy. Alright. Alright, I'm happy for today. I'm sorry, Cardian. I'm running away again. But I need to go. I hear my daughter crying a little bit. And I want to be with her, okay? Any documentation more written more than 5 minutes ago is leaked. True. True. See ya. Fascist. Alright. See ya. And we see each other tomorrow. Same time, same day? Not same day. Hopefully, I'm not sick. Bye-bye.